Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Regular Learning Academy. I am Dr. Krishna Sarkar, Department of Electrical Engineering. Here in this session, I will be going to discuss about types of flexible alternating current transmission systems or types of FACTS controllers or different types of FACTS controller. This is lecture series on FACTS, lecture number 3. So what is FACTS, why FACTS, advantage of FACTS, disadvantage of FACTS, application of FACTS device. So next, overview. In this session, our overview, what is flexible alternating current transmission systems? What is flexible alternating current transmission systems? Why flexible alternating current transmission systems? Types of FACTS controller or types of flexible alternating current transmission systems. Limitation of flexible alternating current transmission systems. Control attributes of various FACTS controllers. Conclusion. So what is FACTS or what is flexible alternating current transmission systems? FACTS are defined by the IEEE as a power electronics based systems. That means this is power electronics based systems and other statics equipment that provide control of one or more AC transmission system parameters to enhance controllability and increase power transfer capability. So what is the definition? And this is a power electronics based systems. And this device enhance the controllability and increase the power transfer capability. Increase the power transfer capability. So this device is a very important in power systems. According to the Siemens, FACTS increases the reliability of AC grids and reduce power delivery costs. So this is also reduce power delivery costs. They improve transmission quality and efficiency of power. This is also important. This is improve the efficiency of power transmission by supplying inductive or reactive power to the grid. So flexible alternating current transmission, power electronics based system, our power system related. So this device mainly improve the reliability, reduce the power delivery cost, improve the transmission quality and efficiency. Why FACTS? So next our part, why FACTS? The different types of grid, microgrid, smart grid networks faulted by lighting discharge and decrease the insulation clearance. By Kirchhoff's law, the actual and reactive power controlled or measured at various nodes. Then again, the power mismatch issues by the load variation, weather variation, different types of fault, overloading, the fluctuation of generator rotors, unpredictable factors are happening and undesirable condition of system security. So next, why FACTS continue? Due to high intensity of power swing and loading, sometimes the voltage collapse and system blackouts or power outage is a foremost problem. This is also very important issue, power blackout. At the load side, the reactive power shortage increases and the total system security is questionable. The maintaining of required reactive power margin are challenging issues. By power electronics controllers, control the real and reactive power with safe operating margin with high security. Flexible alternating current transmission system solved the power prevalence issues and increment the power exchange capacity. The FACTS controller control the harmonics and help the clean power in grid systems. So FACTS controller control also harmonics. Also this controller controls the sag, swell, flicker, any type of power quality issues. This can be handled. Types of FACTS controller. Flexible alternating current transmission systems controller can be classified as shunt compensation FACTS controller. This is inject current. Shunt compensation FACTS controller. Series compensation FACTS controller inject voltage. Combined series shunt compensation FACTS controller. This is inject current and inject voltage. Special purpose FACTS controllers. Variable impedance types FACTS controller. Voltage source converter based FACTS controller. The variable impedance types controller includes only voltage source converter based FACTS controller. Custom power. This is also very important part. Dynamic voltage restorer. This is series connected custom power device. Inject the voltage and compensate the sag, swell, flicker, any type of voltage distortion. Switching based custom power device. This is also very, very important. Unified power quality conditioner. Control the power quality. Next types of FACTS controller, shunt compensation FACTS controllers. This is also static synchronous compensator or STATCOM. This is shunt connected FACTS controller. Like this type configuration. This is the shunt controller. This is the converter section, configuration of the voltage source converter based STATCOM. This is the converter, PWM controller, and input side, renewable voltage source. This is step up and step down, low step up and high step up, DC-DC converter. This is filter, harmonic filter, and this is the microgrid and sensitive load. This is STATCOM circuit. And this circuit control the reactive power and harmonics mainly. So shunt compensation, static synchronous compensator, STATCOM. Static var compensator. This is the configuration of the static var compensator. This is reactor bank. This is capacitor bank. This is the controller, step down transformer, and transmission line. This is transmission line. Next, thyristor control series capacitors. Thyristor control reactor, thyristor switch reactor, thyristor switch capacitor or TSC, mechanically switched capacitor MSC, and next, series compensation FACTS controller. Series compensation, the name of the series compensation FACTS controller, static synchronous series compensator, SSC. Thyristor control series compensator, TCSC. Thyristor control series reactor, TCSR. Thyristor switch series capacitor, TSSC. Thyristor switched series reactor, TSSR. And convertible series compensator, CSC. Combined series shunt compensator compensation FACTS controller. Series and shunt compensation. At a time, series and shunt connected compensator. This is unified power flow controller. What is the configuration? This is the configuration, unified power flow controller, basic configuration of UPFC or UPQC. If transformer absent, this is the UPQC. So this is the microgrid, smart grid or transmission section, and this is the transformer section and series inverter, inject the voltage, and this is the shunt inverter connected through a DC battery or capacitor. This is the shunt transformer. This is a sensitive load. If this not present or absent, then three-phase four-wire UPQC, Unified Power Quality Controller. This is the UPFC configuration. At the same time, series control and this side shunt control. That means inject voltage and this side inject current. Active and reactive power, both are controlled. Also harmonics control. Interface power controller, IPC. Another types thyristor control phase shifting transformer, TCPST, or static phase shifting transformer controls angle. Combined series compensation FACTS controller. Next category, combined series compensation FACTS controller. Interline power flow controller, IPFC. Variable impedance type FACTS controller, SVC, TCSC, TCPST. Voltage source converter based FACTS controller. The variable impedance type controllers includes, that is static VAR compensator, shunt connected. This is the shunt connected FACTS controller, static VAR compensator. Thyristor control series capacitor or compensator, TCSC. This is series connected FACTS controller. Thyristor control phase shifting transformer or TCPST of static PST, combined shunt and series controller. This is the shunt and series controller, TCPST. Special purpose of FACTS controllers are thyristor controller, braking resistor, TCVR. Another part, thyristor control voltage limiter, TCVL. And thyristor control voltage regulator, TCVR. Interface power controller, IPC. NGI's SSR damping. Superconducting magnetic energy storage, SMES, controller voltage and power. Mechanically switch capacitor, MSC. Capacitor is switched by circuit breaker. It aims at compensating steady state reactive power. Then mainly control the reactive power. Only voltage source converter based FACTS controllers are static synchronous compensator, that means STATCOM. This is shunt connected. Another part, static synchronous series compensator, SSC, series connected. This is voltage source converter based FACTS controller. Another voltage source converter based FACTS controller, interline power flow controller, IPFC, combined series controller. Unified power flow controller, this is also voltage source converter based FACTS controller, combined shunt and series connected FACTS controller. Uncompensated nonlinear loads in the microgrid, grid and smart grid system can cause harmonic compensation components in the supply voltage. To diminish the troubles caused by poor quality of electric power supply, series, shunt and combined FACTS controller compensator are used. The compensator controller and secure the entire scheme with quick. That means when series connected, shunt connected or series shunt connected or series controller controls the power quality or different types of, solve the different types of power quality issues, mainly improve the efficiency or reliability. Limitation of FACTS, this is the important section. Limitation of FACTS are, what is the limitation? Expenses more than alternative for several applications. Total size of power semiconductors device needs to increase. Semiconductor pieces have not cut as predicted. Transient overload capability, not the maximum amount as generators or different transmission equipment. Future constancy or reliability, long run irresponsibleness, and the apparatus life not well established. The FACTS technology is ever changing and still underneath research. Control attributes of various FACTS controller. Control attributes of various FACTS controllers are active power control, SSC, UPFC. This is the active power control, SSC and UPFC. Reactive power control, STATCOM, SBC, UPFC, IPC, FC. And voltage control, STATCOM, SBC, UPFC and IPFC. Voltage stability, TCSC, SSC, TSSC, UPFC, IPFC. Current control, TCSC, SSC, TSSC. And line impedance control, UPFC, series compensation, SSC. And transient and dynamic stability, UPFC, IPFC, SBC, TCSC, SSC, TSSC. Thank you.